In this video, we will see how to detect objects on plan and camera position different from snapshot position. This involves the use of two parameters in your snapshot position and snapshot position offset. The calibration is the first step. So this process the robot learn camera and object detection plane position. The calibration board needs to be placed where the robot have enough reach to go through all calibration poses. It can be anywhere as far as the calibration board is parallel to the plane where you want to detect object. In this example, the calibration board is placed on a reclining plane where will be placed boxes on which we will detect objects. We create a feature point to define a camera snapshot position. To prepare calibration, I place the camera lens parallel to the board in a position where the board completely fits inside the field of view of the camera. We now insert a camlocate node into the program and teach the object we want to detect. The object must be touched on the calibration plane. We use a uniform color background to help object detection. Due to the complex shape of the object, we use the automatic teaching method. Using the brush tool, we select the edges we want to use to build the model of the object. After teaching the object, we teach object picking on the calibration plane. In camlocate node, we detect the object and build its referential, and then teach the picking using a move L relative to the feature point of the camera. It is possible to detect objects on the calibration plane from camera position different from the snapshot position registered in Installation tab. To do that, you just need to set the in your snapshot position parameter to true. First, let's check what happens when you enter camera locate node if you are not at snapshot position and if the parameter in your snapshot position is false. As you can see, a pop-up window is displayed and warn you that the robot is not at snapshot position. We will now set in your snapshot position to true and try to detect the object from two camera positions different from the snapshot position previously defined in the Installation tab. As you can see, the object detection and picking are working and no pop-up window are displayed for the two positions of the camera. It is also possible to detect objects on plane parallel to the calibration plane. To do so, you need to precise the offset of the plane using the parameter snapshot position offset. In this case, we will define three planes with different offsets and detect objects on each of them. Here is the program. First, we set the parameter in your snapshot position to true because we will place the camera on position different from the snapshot position defined in installation tab. Then we use a loop to go on each camera position, define plan offset, and execute the picking. As you can see, the camera can detect object and execute picking from camera position different from the snapshot position defined in installation tab and on plan different from the calibration plan. Within your snapshot position and snapshot position offset parameters, you can detect objects in various locations using the same snapshot position.